2 golden questions para ma-manage ang overthinking. Well, first of all, overthinking is very common sa mga taong may anxiety. And overthinking goes like this. Number 1, laging nag-iisip ng worst case scenarios. And number 2, may inner belief na wala siyang masyadong kakayanan na harapin yung mga dagok sa buhay, including those worst case scenarios. So, isa sa mga natural ways para ma-manage natin ang anxiety is to learn how to manage our tendency for overthinking. So here are 2 golden questions to manage overthinking. So kapag napansin natin na nag-overthink na naman tayo, pwede nating tanungin yung sarili natin. First, gaano ba kataas ang probability na mangyayari yung worst case scenario na kinakatakutan mo? So halimbawa, takot kang magsalita sa harap ng maraming tao kasi iniisip mo baka mabulol ka, pagtawanan at mapahiya sa maraming tao. Then you ask your mind, gaano ba kataas ang probability na pagtatawanan nila ako at mapahiya ako sa harap? And then you answer, well, wala pa namang time na pinagtawanan ako at napahiya. And nagpe-prepare naman ako parate sa aking mga sasabihin sa harap ng maraming tao. So yung probability most likely mababa. Pagpalagay na lang nating 5%. So sa first question pa lang, medyo nare-reassure na tayo. Pero we can follow it up with the second question para talagang mas ma-reassure pa. The second question goes like this. Kung sakaling mangyari man yung kinakatakutan ko or yung worst possible scenario, will that be the end of my world? Well, most likely we know it from deep inside that that would not be the end of our world. So halimbawa, pinagtawanan nga tayo kasi nabulol tayo. Well, we ask ourselves, katapusan na ba ito ng career ko? Katapusan na ba ito ng mundo ko? Katapusan na ba ito ng buhay ko? Then our inner wisdom will say, hindi naman, kasi wala naman taong perfect. Nagkakamali din tayo. Well, first time ko naman, and no one can do it perfect for the first time. And at the end of the day, yung mga tao yun sobrang busy sa buhay nila. Nakakalimutan din nila yung nangyari. And hindi lang naman ako nabubulol. Iba din namang mga veteranong speakers na nabubulol din. Kaya okay lang. That's not the end of my world. Now, for most cases, itong dalawang questions na ito, they are effective. Pero may mga cases then that these are easier said than done. Kaya nga, if you think you have extreme difficulties in managing your overthinking, it is always best to seek professional help. With the use of psychotherapy, mas mapaprocess natin yung mga sources ng ating overthinking. Consult a psychologist today. It is never too late.